Hi, Clint Brown here. I want to show you something that's been hidden in plain sight in Vault for quite a long time and is a really useful tool for being slightly more productive. And this is the ability to filter based on our results in front of us. So we know that we can add and remove these different headers, allowing us to do things like change to an alphabetized order, things like names and states and descriptions, etc. But we also have the ability to filter on these. I'll show you what I mean in a second. So here's a project of mine that I've been working on, and inside of here I've got some non-compliant drawings. So what I can do is right at the top right hand corner, if you hover over these icons and even names, these little filters pop up. So if I click on that, I can say I'd like to filter by all of my non-compliant drawings. I want to see all of the non-compliant ones. And it comes up and it shows me all of those in a list. This is really useful because I now have a list of drawings to work from that I can go and fix. And I can untick that at any stage, retick it and it'll show it to me again, and I can close them off as well. If I just go back to my main Project Explorer here, I could now go and say, well, actually, I just want to filter this by everything that's released. So I can choose released and off it'll go. Now, one of the nice things about these filters is that all of my previous filters will show up. So that's pretty cool. But while I'm in released, by choosing another filter, I can add to this. So looking at the new has drawing property, I can choose true, and I can see every component that's released and has a drawing. And in this instance, there's only one. But I could also say, okay, let's edit that filter. Well, now I want to see everything that has a drawing but is not released. So okay, and it'll show me that. And again, I can choose my drop down here to go back and look at anything that I've searched for before. And if there's anything that I've searched for before that I don't want to keep in the list, like for instance, looking for documents, I can close that. But I can flip this over to look at something like revision B, and there's everything that's revision B inside of my Vault. So it's an interesting little tool. It's really useful. Have a look at it, give it a try. I hope you've enjoyed this video.